Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake in the Hills, local and long distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles from your current location is demanding. It requires adequate planning and execution by capable hands. 3 Movers provides the best long distance moving services. Your items are essential, and our professional movers handle every single item with care. Our trucks are of the best standards. They accommodate and secure your belongings throughout the entire long distance move. Our insurance policy is also excellent. They cover risks during the move. We have licenses to move your belongings over long distances and close relationships with the appropriate authorities. Our drivers are experts. They follow every highway rule, are careful, and drive promptly to your new location. We deliver your belongings to the agreed upon time and excellent condition. 3 Movers is the best movers in the lake and the hills. We help locals achieve a stress-free move, and it's hard to effect a prompt move within the city, but our local moving services are swift. We know all the local and major routes, and we get to your new residence on time. Another reason locals love our moving services is because of the cheap rates. We charge as low as $30 to $40 hourly so that our clients have the best services and the most affordable prices, and we guarantee a stress-free moving process. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lake in the Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.